You've seen these map animations go viral. Channels are pulling in millions of views and thousands of dollars, specifically by targeting the high-paying US audience. But here's the problem. Creating animations like this takes hours of tedious work in complex software. It's why most people don't even try. So it has a lot of potential. Now I am going to tell you how to create these in seconds. Secret AI tool that does all the heavy lifting for you. I created a 4-step framework for you to follow easily, so you can apply for all your videos. Before that, just give this video one like. It helps me create more content like this for you. Please do now. In this video, we'll explore how to create a viral script, generate a realistic voiceover, use a secret AI tool for stunning visuals, and finally, put everything together. Step 1. The viral script. Without a strong narration, you can't hook people. Start by going to a popular YouTube channel, find one of their top-performing videos, and copy its link. Paste that link into an AI Studio tool and ask it to generate a narration of the video. Copy the result. Next, ask the AI to create variations of that narration, same meaning, but different wording. This way, you'll have multiple narration formats for the same idea. If you have your own creative angle, feed that into the AI as well, and ask it to generate a similar style of narration based on your idea. Now you've got a proven script to work with. Step 2. A realistic voiceover. Use ElevenLabs for high-quality voiceovers. First, explore the available voices. Next, choose the one that best matches your style. Then, paste your narration into ElevenLabs. Finally, generate. And you'll have a complete natural-sounding voiceover ready to use. This is how it sounds.
Pakistan's geography is a curse, and here's why. First, its borders aren't based on natural defenses.
Now the main step. I found this AI tool that can create map animations directly from a prompt. This is FrameNet.ai. I can generate all kinds of map animations in seconds. Let me show you how. Go to FrameNet.ai and sign up. You'll see the prompt input bar right here. Select the aspect ratio. Let's choose 9:16 for this demo. Set the duration to 10 seconds. You can adjust it later. Now, let's try a sample. I'll create a map animation of India and its neighboring countries. Submit, and within seconds, it generates a beautiful animation. If you want to modify it, just type another prompt here, or change the map styles with a click. Let's make our video now. We'll start with our script and see which animations we need to add. First, I'll give this script to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest one map animation based on the narration. I'll give the exact prompt I used in the description. You can use this directly. Once we have it, copy that and paste it into FrameNet. Set the duration to 15 and the aspect ratio. Then click Generate. It will be ready in just a few seconds. You can see now we've got the animation in seconds. I didn't like these borders. I want them bigger and in white. So I gave a prompt like this, and it modified based on my input. I like it now. I'll render this. You can render this up to 4K. See how easy it is to create and modify something that would normally take hours in After Effects. You can try it for free. Use this code to get 50% off their prices. It's a limited time offer, which you'll find in the description. It's time to add everything up. Now, assemble the final video in your editor. First, add the voiceover. Next, place your FrameNet.ai visuals on top and sync them with the narration. Create similar animations for the other parts of the script and add them to the editor. Now you have everything. Render this. In just a few minutes, you'll have a professional, viral-style video ready to publish. Remember one thing. YouTube always looks for consistency. Try posting consistently, and you can slowly improve your narration and editing after at least a month. Based on the results, you can decide what to do next. Also, having 50% off on top of this will give you maximum benefit in a cheaper way, and depending on the response, you can move on to the next step. If you have any issues or doubts, ask in the comments and I'll respond to them. You can also join our Discord group for discounts and doubts.